guys, it's Ryan here, and I'm at a restaurant, and I'm going to be doing some really loud burps. And here's the last one. Alright guys, we're outside the restaurant and we're gonna get some more really loud burps. And here's the last one. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next. With